Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a Halloween candy pumpkin. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, green, yellow, and orange. This drawing is 25 squares tall and 23 squares wide. Let's start with the black color and skip 9 squares from left to right. In the 10 squares, we'll mark 5 horizontally. From this square, go down 3 horizontally. From this square, go down 2 horizontally. From this square, go down 2 horizontally. From this square, go down 2 vertically. From this square, go left 4 vertically. From this square, go left 2 horizontally. From this square, go down 1. Down to the left, mark 3 vertically. Down to the left, mark 6 vertically. Down to the right, mark 2 vertically. Down to the right, mark 2 vertically. Down to the right, mark 4 horizontally. In this line, count 2 from right to left and above mark 2 vertically. Up to the left, mark 2 vertically. Up to the left, mark 6 vertically. Up to the right, mark 3 vertically. Up to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square, go right 2 vertically. Up to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Up to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square, go right 9 horizontally. In this line, count 2 from left to right and below mark 2 vertically. From this square, go left 1. Down to the left, mark 3 vertically. From this square, go right 3 horizontally. From this square, go up 2 vertically. At the level of this square, below mark 2 vertically. From this square, go left 5 vertically. Down to the right, mark 1. Down to the right, mark 7 horizontally. Up to the right, mark 1. Up to the right, mark 5 vertically. From this square, down to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Up to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Down to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Up to the right, mark 2 vertically. Up to the right, mark 3 vertically. Up to the left, mark 2 horizontally. Down to the left, mark 3 vertically. From this square, go right 2 horizontally. From this square, go up 1. From this square, go down and mark 3 horizontally. From this square, go down 2 horizontally. From this square, go down 2 horizontally. From this square, go down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, go right 4 vertically. From this square, go left 2 vertically. Down to the right, mark 3 vertically. Down to the right, mark 6 vertically. Down to the left, mark 2 vertically. Down to the left, mark 2 vertically. From this square, go right 2 horizontally. From this square, go down 1. Down to the right, mark 3 vertically. Down to the right, mark 6 vertically. Down to the left, mark 2 vertically. Down to the left, mark 2 vertically. Down to the left, mark 4 horizontally. From this square down to the right, mark 9 horizontally. At the level of this square, go down 1. Down to the right, mark 1. From this square, go down 1. Down to the left, mark 1. Now we're going to color all the squares we marked. Subscribe and activate the notification bell to be part of the Pixeler Club, which is what we call our family here at Pixelados. Now let's take the green color and fill in this whole area. Next, with the yellow color, we'll color the eyes and mouth of our pumpkin. With the orange color, we'll fill in the rest of the drawing. In the top corner, I leave you a link to my Spanish channel with hundreds of drawing. If you don't speak Spanish, don't worry, all the videos have subtitles. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like, and if you made it to this part, comment with a pumpkin emojis. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. I'm sending you a giant hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paita, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!